Hey everyone, welcome to Fix It Flow. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to update Roblox on your computer to fix common errors and glitches. Before we start, I'm on a mission to reach 1,000 subscribers, so if you find this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot. Let's begin. Step 1, Automatic Update. Open your web browser and go to the Roblox website. Click on any experience, game, and hit the play button. Roblox will usually automatically update when you launch a game. Click Open Roblox Game Client and wait for the update to complete. Step 2, Manual Update if automatic update fails. Uninstall Roblox. Open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. Go to Apps, greater than installed apps. Search for Roblox. Click the 3 dots next to it and select Uninstall. Repeat for any other Roblox-related apps. Reinstall Roblox, go back to the Roblox website, click Play on any game. When prompted, select Download and install Roblox. Open the downloaded file and follow the steps to install the latest version. Step 3, Fix date and time issues if updates still fail. Click the date and time on your taskbar. Select Adjust Date and Time. Turn on Set Time automatically and Set Time Zone automatically. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions.